Nagbabalik po ang SVL on Primetime dito po sa SNA. At bati po ng dalawang set. Itong kupunan ni Coach Romel at 25-20, 25-17. More of the same ba ang second set, Coach Ronnie?
Mas dominado ng Pocari itong second set. Kung dun sa ating unang set, nakabuelo pang Ubit na kalamang sa bandang umpisa dito sa second set, hindi na pinayagan ng Pocari. From a 3-2 advantage all the way to a 7-6 lead hanggang 8-6 sa first technical timeout. Pinipilit ng UP na makadikit para makabalik. Pero hindi na pinayagan ng Pocari. And once again, better reception para dito sa Pocari. Superiority sa kanilang net defense. And once again, full control ni Iris Tolenado sa kanilang opensa, making it difficult for UP to impose yung kanilang magandang pagdig. At as a result, talagang naghabol sila pero hindi na nakakapit doon sa bandang dulo.
DJ Tronics providing the entertainment dito sa loob ng arena. Of course, the main entertainment are being provided by the girls of UP and Pocari Sweat. May 1-2 ang UP. Ang Pocari naman ay 1-1. Mr. Shinichi Suzuki, president and #1 fan of Pocari Sweat. Right behind us,
yan ang
actually.
commitment, ano?
Kahit nung open conference, diba?
Lagi yan.
Lagi. Actually, yun din ang nagustuhan ni diba ni Andrea, sabi niya about the fans of Pocari. Sabi niya napaka-loyal.
Oh.
It's good start.
Alright, the first
Lady Maroons.
Let's see if UP will be able to build on that. Attack point galing dito sa komunidad ni Coach Jerry E. Lahat ng pagkatalo ng UP ay 3 straight sets. Yung panalo naman nila laban sa Coast Guard, 3 straight sets din. Oo.
Good get there.
Bigat ng blocking talaga. Sa the first place, hindi ako nagkakamali. Ito na yung best blocking team talaga ng ating open conference. Nagdagdag pa ng 2 tone.
Yun na nga.
Na masipag din. At yan talaga ang kargang armas sa kanilang pakete sa opensa.
Kanina, Coach, sinarap mo si Elaine Casilag. Nandito na. Magsisimula para sa set number 3. Dadang also.
Alright, for the second straight game, Elaine Casilag will be being sent in sa third set. Tignan natin if she will be warm enough to help out yung opensa rito ng Pocari. And this is a
not over.
flat start para dito sa Blue Shirts. Now they're down by 2.
3-2-1 in favor of UP. Serving, Doro.
Doro, nice serve. At regalo, binigay ni Clona kay Marian Puitre. Go UP! Todo suporte kami sa team nyo mula sa Balunto, General Santos City, Molde at Carlos. Laban lang UP. That's from Ian.
Justin Doro.
Pero hindi masama nilalaro ng UP. Maganda lang ang pinapakita ng Pocari.
Joel Quebec, go UP, fight. Kahit may mga imports pa yan, watching live mula sa Eastern Samar. Eastern Samar. Maraming salamat. Ali Wu. Dahil na-cancel biyahe ng barko. Hindi na lang di raw siya nakauwi. Saan kaya yan, no, Ali, no? Pero salamat sa inyong panonood talaga.
At ito, UP, kung mawala na, 4 ang kalamangan ng Coach Romel. Napatayo na rito.
I remember when we used to work with Michelle Gumabaw who missed that attack there. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin yan, Taco Boom, asahan niya. 2-0, asahan mo. Magre-relax yan. Sinasabi niya yan as an analyst. And that's where leaders really come into play, di ba? Pagka, alam mo inaasahan mo ganyan na nangyayari. So, you're the one who has to pick it up for the rest of the team.
Dadang.
Look at her.
Off speed na atake ng UP, sinanggalang ni Dadang. And that would usher na itong si Dre Caxits para mapunta dyan sa front line. Para maging primerong bala ni Giselle C.
Kasama ni Casilag, kasama ni Kumabaw sa front line. Tamang ng 4 ang UP. Persola over the block. Hinabol ni Giselle.
What a pass.
Hinabol na, reverse set pa.
Nakita ni Giselle na papunta rito sa side niya yung mga blockers. And then kumambyo pa kabila. Single block laban kay Gumabaw. Gumabaw scores over Isa Molde. Lead down to 3 from a high of 5 at 6-1.
Molde gives it back. Not able to put it away. Casilag. Doro. Rose to Isa. And that will be a UP point.
Good job coming from Isa
All goes
Molde.
out.
Probably nasa 4 o 5 puntos so far for Isa Molde. 8 points in the first 2 games. Itong si Isa Masing looking to help out pump more blood into the
Serving
pulse ng
captain.
Kanina
Captain
halos
Rizal.
flat line na ito. Boom, ha?
What a set by C. But good anticipation by the UP block. But not that time for Elaine Casilag. Linihis ang bola, Coach Ronnie.
Elaine Casilag really shown the brightest para sa Pocari Sweat. Doon sa kanilang title run. At ulitin ko, merong bagong ink yan si Elaine Casilag. An arrow pointing upwards, acknowledging
Serving team
she's been
captain,
blessed
Michelle
and
Gumao.
dedicating every point that she has scored to the one above.
Service ace.
And I've always said about Elaine Casilag, even past years, she's not your usual attacker na yung full wind up. It's so
Bilis
quick
pumalo.
po, kaya
Bilis.
minsan ang hirap talagang check-in.
Michelle Gumabon prior to this game,
Gumabon.
7 service aces, number 3. Behind the 15 of Gerald Singh and the 13 of Alyssa Valdez.
Good get there by Doro. Molde, cross court. Clona says, I got it. Casilag na naman.
Casilag.
Same
Off the
thing
ball.
over and over again. It's not the most powerful, but it's very efficient. Kasi minsan,
Tumumbi yung kamay ni Buito.
Sir.
Oo, tsaka minsan kasi
Michelle
coach, pag
Gumao.
mabilis yung wind up, bakit palang tuloy yung block?
Blocker, naunahan
Oo.
na niya. Andik si Kumilos talaga, that will be way long
Service
for
out.
Kapitana.
First technical
Gumao.
timeout.
Their team is down by 2 as we take our technical timeout. Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. It is UP versus Pocari. Mamaya po, pagkatapos nito, makikita nyo ang University of Santo Tomas at 4-0. Prior to that game,
Base setter.
going up against BOC na nasa kanilang
Isang baitang lamang sa ilalim nila.
sa likod. Oh, humihingi nga doon sa likod
Ay,
nila.
nako.
Kaya
Ramdam.
ramdaman mo yung yapak sa
Oo,
likod.
ramdam mo yung mga yabag.
Eh kung si Alyssa Valdez ba naman yun nandun, mararamdaman mo talaga yung
39 ba naman ang ginawa doon sa isang laro eh.
kulang pa nga eh.
Pwedeng ko muna.
Serving for UP. Marian Week.
Yun yung criticism. Hindi pa nag-40.
Kayling.
Over reception para dito sa Lady Warriors. Regalong puntos para dito sa UP. Mula sa isang puntos na lang na gustong habulin sana ng Pocari. Makita naman sa 3 kalamangan ng UP.
And we know how effective Alyssa Valdez is, of course. We've heard the stories, we've seen the championships and all that, the MVPs. But to me, she's even more dangerous, Coach Ronnie, pag may katulong eh. Kasi yun, kumayod siya ng 39. At talagang hirap na kinayod na niya talaga yung koponan na yun at that time when they won that game. But imagine if she gets the help, you know, Rose Vargas, of course, Pao Soriano, and then the Thai imports. She's going to be
Setter
even
yung
better.
isang reinforcement
Correct.
nila.
Oo. So even better nga, di ba? When I say help, it doesn't always have to be offense. Yan ang makikita natin mamaya. In the meantime, punta naman natin si Laura Lee.
Boom and Ronnie, si Michelle Gumabao ay isa sa pinakamasipag na tao na kilala ko. Tumira siya sa QC pero araw-araw siyang bumiyahe sa Adamson for 12 to 3 p.m. coaching duties. At pagkatapos yun, bumiyahe siya sa Mandaluyong for 6 to 9 p.m. Pocari sweat practice. Tuloy nang tanong ako kung bakit siya ginagawa to at simpleng-simple yung sagot niya, she loves it. In fact, sabi ni Michelle, mas gusto niya maging coach kaysa maging player dahil sa tingin niya, coaching is a culmination of her lessons and experiences. Balik sa inyo, Boom and Ronnie.
Thank you very much, Lau. And she is very dedicated to the sport.
Parang silaw. Parang silaw.
Parang silaw. You know, there was one time, this was in the off-season, and I remember just a few weeks away, and we were all eating. This is a non-volleyball thing that we were doing. We saw each other, and you know, kain. Ano naman ako, coach, pagdating sa kainan, di ba?
Specialty of the house.
Specialty of the house. At sabi niya, hindi mo na. Bakit? Oh, Wala na kami training. Sabi ko, ano ba?
With a kill.
Hindi ako, kailangan. Magsisimula na ako. Then parating na yung mga imports, he said, maaga kami magbabanding,
10-9.
magtitrip nga sila, yun ang sasabi. So you see the dedication.
The commitment.
I mean, these are just small things, saying no to whatever, and you know, but it's a certain kind of discipline that winners have, you know, Coach Ronnie.
And I believe that one of the perfect definitions of being disciplined is staying away from self-gratification na napakahirap gawin.
Saying no to food is so hard.
Ay!
Look at Maggie with a hard kill.
Mula sa 6-1 na talaan in favor of UP, UP has only
Lamang na.
won 3. I believe of the last 13 rallies. Made it to the exploits of Casilag, Gumabaw, and of course itong si Chelsea.
Tapos pinasok na ni Coach Romel.
Dalawang tore.
Oo.
Oh.
Catch it. Sabi niya, wala na tayong palulusutin dito eh. Grabe yun.
Serve is out.
That was way off for Elaine Casilag.
Umabot ng pinaglabanan yun ah.
Yung ano,
Samoan
Jerry kicking back, watching and letting the girls learn on their own.
Ganda ng reaction ni Chelsea. Dalawang errors para dito sa Pocari.
Wala tayo.
Bumalik na.
11 all.
4-1 dating scoreboard. We'll be fighting to stay alive. Down by 2 sets.
Samoan.
Over-receive, but Dorog doesn't put it away.
Very low.
Geyser was there. Dorog sa gilid.
Difficult angle.
Last touch.
Hirap nun, ha?
Oh, parang cut shot na yung pinakawalan ni Justin Dorog doon.
Manipis.
UP.
Baga sa bilyar eh.
Diba?
No? Doon pinapunta pero sa kabila.
Kinuha
Direction, no? Ganda mag-serve ni
Service
Samoan.
ace.
This is already 4 straight points para sa UP. Lead was taken away at 11-9, and since then they fought back really hard and have regained the driver's seat.
Samoan serving.
Another good serve, but a good save by Mackie and a free ball para sa UP. Kailing, pinili si Dorog. Dorog and Clona. Ang ganda naman ng set ni Giselle C. And Molde. Up, ambitious on that one. Little away from her comfort zone. Actually, way out from her comfort zone.
Pababa na yung bola, paatras pa si Justin Dorog.
Tayo pa.
So hindi porsyentuhan. She gambled, she lost, and they will lose a 1-point lead. One of the 2-point lead that they possessed earlier. Ganda ng hustle play na yun.
Free ball. C goes to the middle and Mackie goes for the kill.
That's teamwork working para dito sa Pocari. Caxit's showing us that she has the touch. And Giselle C, wow, what a setup para dito kay Mac attack.
Serving.
Talk about nakapatong sa bola. Carlos adjusts. Chance for the blue shirts. Mackie again. Off speed. Mataas. Kailing opens up to Dorog. Andun si Casilag. Sina naman. Back set. Back row to Michelle Gumabaw. Go to the middle. And it is Stotts. Andun na naman si Kailing. Dadang.
Good block by Carlos. So kung makikita natin para dito sa malalarong si Tats Carlos, hindi lamang sa atake siya pumupuntos. And the way she has developed to be a two-way player for Coach Jerry. And look at the reaction coming from si Dadang.
Serving. Tots Carlos.
By the way, just a quick announcement. No UAP tomorrow. Everything for the UAP is canceled. Everything due to inclement weather. Inaasahan po matindi.
Hagupit.
Dadagsa.
Mackie
Pagdagsa.
off the ball.
Huwag yung Karen. Kung hindi man,
14
mabuti na.
all.
Handa.
Mabuti ng
warning handa.
may babala.
Yeah, but the forecasters, whether they're local or international, have been talking about this for a while now. And sabi nila Sabado ng gabi and then Sunday, Manila, I think, will be one of the direct hit. At tatamaan talaga. So, due to inclement weather, UAP is a no-go tomorrow.
Casilag has been a workhorse of our defense ng Pocari. Pero tao lang. This time Casilag will not be able to keep that ball alive. And UP will try to go to the second tactical timeout ahead. Dapat dito sa Pokari.
Serving.
Sorry, Coach.
Rose
Doro
Kaling.
getting active here in the third set.
Alam nila may chance sila eh. Hirap na.
Yep. Namigay. Sa net.
Second technical timeout.
For the first time,
16,
UP goes into a technical timeout with the lead. We will be back. TJ Tronics bumabagyo dito sa loob.
Bali mula sa kanya.
Humahagupit si DJ Tronics dito sa
Humahataw.
loob. Humahataw, yes. Ayan, sa loob ng arena po tayo ngayon. And the Phil Oil Flying Visa venue, Volleyball Central, Boom Gonzalez, Coach Ronnie Magsanok, Laura Lehman, panel at large. Sorry, the Laura Lehman,
Yes.
panel at large.
Miss Rhonda Cam.
Yes, the Ronda Queen.
Second technical timeout. Rose Kaling.
Mamaya po, Eric Tipan, Mela Tunay, Billy Capistrano, all will be part of the panel later for the game. UST BOC. In the meantime, UP. Oh, good get there by Geyser. Mababa para kay Dorog, pero Geyser na naman, naging pinball. Oh, that's double contact. And Geyser should get that point.
Wow. Doro. Leaping in delight. Finally beating the net defense of Dream McKee. Nakala natin would score already.
I see the reaction of Pia Geyser just right now. It's like, oh! Sabi niya.
Napabuntong hininga.
Bumalik yung bola sa kanya eh.
Aray.
Imagine that, Coach Ronnie, just like that. Pia Geyser is already under 50 here. Ganun-ganun
Diba?
lang, kabilis.
Nako, chance na ito para sa
Oh,
UP.
tatlo po ang abante nila. Oh! Ang baba nung bigay.
Miscommunication was set.
I think she knew it.
From
When the
the,
ball left her hand.
I think nahirapan siya i-control dun sa, ano, no?
Teknos.
Minsan yung ikot eh. Diyan nga nagkaka-double contact minsan ng mga, ano, alam yung mali. Ng, hindi nakuha ng tama. Now, dalawa na lang abante na UP. C.
Gawin mo ng isa.
Combination play with Michelle Gumabaw. Knocking that one in. Laura Lehman. Donathy Guzman, 17-year-old. Wala si Taytay Rizal, ang ating shakies face of the game.
Parehong naka-stripe.
Pero parang silaw yung mas natutuwa na nakakaaboy siya ng pizza eh.
Tingin ko may one slice sila dyan. Like what Pokari has done. Slicing the lead of UP now. They're tied it at 17. At sunod-sunod na puntos kinuha rito ng Pokari Sweat.
Green Mackey.
This is Buitre scoring off the block.
Off the block.
Smart move by Marian.
Scoring of the double block, but once again, Estraniero
Pumasok.
with a very good reception earlier.
Oo.
Serving.
Ayun, nalabas naman siya. Geyser na naman ang pabalik. Lexi, go fight lang. UP, Idol, Isa Molde. POC, good game. Watching live streaming all the way from Dubai. United Arab Emirates.
Ibang-iba pumalo si Elaine Casinas.
Talaga eh.
With a soft
Abli.
shot.
Bawat player ng Pokari gumagawa ng points. Katulad ni Elaine Casinas.
Alam mo, gusto kong ihalin tulad sa nagbubukas ka ng switch ng ilaw. Diba? Parang kinakalapit lang yan.
Alam mo, yung sinasabi po namin ni Coach Ronnie para dun sa mga trying to understand when, let's say, you compare her to, let's say, Ana Eliza Valdez na full approach, full swing,
Wind up, oh.
full wind up. Etong sa kanya, kalahati dun. Doesn't generate the same power, obviously, mechanically, dahil iba nga. But yung efficiency, yung accuracy niya, yung bihis niya, at yung timing.
Ang hirap bantayan.
Ang hirap ng timing. Kanya-kanya eh, no? Kanya-kanya eh.
Whatever works.
Oo.
Naku.
Ito, mababa, malayo.
At makita mo,
Pagilid.
yung tunog pa lang ng pasa ni Giselle, alam mo, pumaltos at Elaine Casilag hindi nagawa ng paraan.
UP here.
Staying ahead.
Oo.
2 point lead para sa UP.
Benitez, their captain. Fans of Pokari, ayan na
Wow.
naman.
Casila.
Tuwang-tuwa itong si Cat Sits sa kanya.
Mitch Gumabaw acknowledging that fine effort coming from Casilag. Pero kung titignan natin, nakita mo yung underhand set ni Giselle C. And nobody covering that zone. Kaya nag-apologize si Kat Garzola, hindi natakpan. Ang gitnang zone.
19 serving 20.
Ganda ng reception ni Isa Molden.
Kumambyo. Etong si Tots. Adjusted to the set. She puts it away. Maintains a 2-point lead at 21-19.
Maski dinaan dun sa mas matangkad na blocker, napasag. Oo.
Pablo will come in
12 out, 18
for Giselle
Pablo
C.
in.
Tolenada comes in for Michelle Gumabao.
Serving, Marian Wheatley.
With reserves. That's it. Unable to put it away. Good get by UP. Pinalik sa kanya. And this time, she goes for the kill.
May konting buhol dun sa scramble for Pocari. That you can see the determination of Caxits. May double block, hindi naman katangkaran, pero nilihis niya.
Elaine Casilla, serving.
You know, the good thing also about Pocari, the reinforcements that they got, bilang, syempre, magagaling, but they seem to be very intense competitors.
If you take a look at
Parang-
their bios, makikita mo yun ang description sa kanila, parang passionate.
Oo, parang tinriple nila, parang, no, sorry,
Si
not
Mitch
tinriple.
Gumabaw.
Parang naging tatlong Mitch Gumabaw yung nandun in terms of yung intensity.
But sometimes there's a delicate balance between too many
22 to
leaders.
20
Too many
in
vocal
favor
leaders in a team.
UP.
So sometimes you temper it, sometimes you step back dahil meron nang ang
Isa
alpha,
mo,
ika nga
sir.
sa team ngayon.
Pero baka naman, coach, in their case, Michelle is the leader, pero in terms of intensity in
Oh,
the
yes.
game, sabay-sabay
Yes,
silang
yes,
tatlo.
yes.
Parang ganun na nakikita ko eh. And you know, usually the American players, we brought an American player here to train before sila Bang Pineda or the other. And they love to talk. They always have. There was one time she told us, she said,
Don't we all?
hindi, pero sabi niya, you know, I'm still surprised at how quiet the Filipino volleyball players are. Because you see them, they really are a vociferous, medyo madaldal na bunch.
Outspoken.
Oo.
Baba.
Ito, pagkakataon sa UP. Binalik, Baki.
Maggie.
Pagkakataon, hindi na sinet.
Alam mo what impressed me about that play? Hindi lang yung reaction niya. Yung iwas niya sa net. Pag ganyan kakatangkad at ganyan kakadikit sa net, kadalasan, yung follow through mo, bagsak sa net.
Wala pa nga siyang ano eh. And this is where the training of the details come into play, Coach
Right,
Ronnie.
right.
Pina-practice kasi nila yan eh.
Yes, of course.
Yung bawi ng kamay,
Oo.
para hindi mag-scrape sa
Yung
net.
hatak.
Yes.
UP
23-22. Coming from behind, Abante ang PSW.
Ano natin? Wala man lang pwersa. Anong pwesto mo ngayon? Middle. Sabi natin option rep. Ha? Yes. Come on.
Inagugustuhan ni Coach Jerry yung
Nagpakawala ng isang kidlat si Coach Jerry.
hindi nagbabaon yung
Oo.
mga ano.
Para magising. Dahil ginayot naman nila ito. They lost the lead, regained it, and now they have been overtaken once again dito sa bandang dulo. Looking for an important reception that could probably tie this third set.
Torog. Sent back. Tots. Kasilag has been solid in that back row digging. And again, it is Maggie finding a spot and has put her team over the hill right now at match point.
Very impressive floor defense to fly by Elaine Casilla.
That's it, oo.
Understanding kung anong role ang pwede niyang gampanan kung hindi siya ang point of attack.
Tsaka pwede siya dito sa harap, pwede
Pwede sa
likod.
likuran. So hindi lamang sa offensa ang kanyang effectivity. Remaki seems to be unstoppable in the closing stretches of the third set.
Oh!
As
Shola
designated
Alvarez,
server,
may
Shola Alvarez.
Konting
plays.
nerves. Nerves.
At tinapik.
Medyo risky rin yung paso ni Coach Romel, ha? Malamig.
Pambigay kumpiyansa.
Oo.
Did that pay off? They need one stop.
Siguro may cushion ng 2 puntos.
Aha.
Sige, ngayon na. Pero Carlos ang titikada from the service area. Maki adjusts and gets them over the hill. 3-set
set number 3.
win.
25
At yung talo na naman ng UP, Coach Ron.
Great set.
Congratulations to the
Shola
Paris
Alvarez redeemed
Lady
herself from that service
Unique.
error
Match
with
number
a
14.
difficult service reception.
Oo nga. And Mackie, who has been spectacular
Sobra.
all throughout, gives us our Shakey's shake and play of the set and gives Pocari Sweat a 3-set win ngayon after that painful loss. Ika nga nila, painful yung unang pagkatalo
Wake up
nila.
call.
Oh, dalawang sunod, dalawang dikit. And again, in terms of the team standings and yung habol dun sa semifinals, Coach
Tama.
Ronnie, mabigat yan.
They were 6-1 doon sa elimination round in the first conference. Here, in our open conference, they lost their first game, won their next 2 outings. So right now, this team seems to be playing to their potential, on a roll as they win, as they build their first winning streak ng ating reinforced conference.
They seem to like playing with each other too. And the Shakey's player of the game, who is with Laura Lehman, is the statuesque. Well, matangkad na nga sila to begin with, but Brianna Lee Mackie is going to enjoy this tamang-tama sa oras.
Sakto, dinner time.
Congratulations, 23 points on 19 attacks, 3 blocks and a service point for Bri Mackie. And what a win by Pocari Sweat here on SVL on prime time. And of course, tuloy-tuloy po ang action sa Lunes. The Lady Jet Spikers of the Philippine Air Force, yung nakatalo po dito sa Pocari Sweat, ay lalaban sa Bali Pure Water Defenders. That should be good. And then, of course, Gretchen Soltones and the rest of the Lawag Power Smashers go up against the struggling UP Lady Maroons. Yan po ang dyan po magtatapos ang ating coverage. Pero huwag niyong kalimutan, UST, BOC,
Of course.
pagkatapos po namin ni Coach Ronnie Magsanok at ni Laura Lehman dito po sa SNA. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Happy birthday to Mickey. At mula po sa amin lahat dito sa nagtatrabaho sa Sports in Action, ABS-CBN Sports. Good night and thanks for watching us on SNA and SNA HD. Playing with each other too. And the Shakey's player of the game with on 19 attacks.